Yeah, now we are on question 11. Question 11 is another familiar question, and item 11 refers to the following information on a description of three sets: P prime numbers and Q is odd numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, and so on. Then we also have the odd numbers. The odd numbers start from 1, then we have 3, we have 5, and so on. Then we also have the even numbers. You can start from 0 or 2. It is 17. So 2, 4, 6, and so on. So this is enough for us to answer this question. We are supposed to determine which of the following set is empty. So if you look at set Q, which is the set of odd numbers, and set R, which is the set of even numbers, you don't have any intersection. So Q intersection R, set Q intersection R will be equal to a null set, an empty set. So the correct answer is D. We have this number 12. If the cardinality of set A is 14 and that of B is 15 and that of A intersection B is 6, then the cardinality of A union B is what? So we know that the cardinality of A union B is equal to the cardinality of A plus the cardinality of B minus their intersection, the cardinality of A intersection B. So now this will be equal to, we have 14 here, 14, then we have 15, then we have the intersection which is 6. So all this will give us, this will be 29 minus 6, and that will be equal to 23. So the correct choice is option C. Now a dress which costs $180. So this is $180. Sorry for the thing not being clear. So $180, and is being sold. This is sold. It's being sold. It's being sold at a discount of 10%. So this is 10%. The amount of discount is, so amount of discount is the discount rate, which is 10%, and 10% is the same as 10 over 100 times the price of the dress, or the cost of the dress, which is $180. So $180, 180.00. so there's a point here. So let's simplify this. 100 goes here. Okay, let's go step by step. This caters for this. So we are left with 1 here, 1 out of 10. 10 will go into 180 how many times? 18 times. So 1 times 18 will be $18. So the correct answer will be $18. $18, which is option C. A dinner at a restaurant was advertised at $60 dollars plus 8% tax plus 18% tax. The total bill for this dinner was, so we know the total bill will be the $60 plus the 18% of the price of the dinner, which is 18 out of 100 times 60. We are familiar with this question already, so this will give you $60 plus 10.8. This will give you 10.8 because we cancel this and this will cancel this. You are left with 18 times 6, which is 108 over 10, which is 10.8. So this will simplify to $70.8. That is $70.08. $70.08. So we have this $70.8. The correct answer is B. The cost price of a refrigerator is $1,850. So this is $1,850. Now, a buyer who is given a discount of 5% for a cash purchase will pay. So the buyer is given a discount of 5%. Therefore, we are not going to let the buyer pay 100%, but we will let him pay 100 minus 5% because the discount has to be subtracted. So 100 minus 5 out of 100 times the price of the refrigerator, which is $1,850. $1,850. Now this will be equal to 95 times, now let's look at something. 100 will go here, we'll move the decimal point back 1 2. 100 times 18.5. 100 times 18.5, and that will be 95 times 18.5, and that will be equal to all these are in dollars. That will be equal to 1,700 and 1,757.5. So 1,057.5. So the correct answer is indeed C. The interest rate on a 15-year mortgage on a house assessed at a value of $450,000 is 5 cents on every $1. What is the interest paid on the mortgage for the first year? So we know the interest rate is given by 5 cents, which is the same as 5 out of $100. So if every dollar you're supposed to pay 5 cents, then the interest paid on $450,000, we just have to multiply the rate, which is 5 out of 100, by the mortgage amount. So we know we can simplify this. 100 goes here, 4,500 times 5 times 45, that will give us 22,500, 22,500. So the correct answer is this, 22,500. The simple interest on a sum of money invested at 5% per annum for 3 years was $90. So this is $90. The sum of money invested was, so we use the formula interest equal principal times the rate times the time. The sum of money invested is the same as the principal. We don't know that one. We know the interest to be $90. So we write 90 here. Then we don't know the principal, so we keep it. The rate is 5%, so 5 out of 100. Then we also have the year, which is 3, so times 3. So this will give you, let's multiply this by 100, then we get 9,000. You get 9,000. Get 9,000. Then we divide both sides by 9,000, so that will give you 5 times 3 times P. So when you divide both sides by 5 times 3, P will be equal to 9,000. P will be 9,000 over 5 times 3. We could have multiplied out, but that will make the calculation complicated. So let's simplify. We know 3 can go here 3 times, and 5 will go into 36 times. 5 will go into 36 times. So we are left with 600. So the answer will be $600. The sum of money that is invested is $600. So correct. At the end of any year, a car is worth 5% less than what it was worth at the beginning of the year. If a car was worth $9,500 in December 2016, then its value in January 2016 was. So this question too, we're familiar with it. It's very popular. So this is how we go about it. We know the value of the car in December 2016 is $9,500. Now we should let the value of the car in January 2016 be X. Then 100 minus 5, because we were told that it is 5% less than what it was worth at the beginning of the year. So 100 minus 5% of X will be equal to the 9,500. So we can quickly solve this. 95 out of 100, X equal 9,500. So we flip this and multiply both sides by that, so that we can get rid of this. So when we simplify the right hand side, we get 10,000. So the correct choice is C. A television set cost $350 cash. When bought on high purchase, deposit of $35 is required, followed by 12 monthly payments of $30. How much is saved by paying cash? So this one too, we are familiar with it. So the cash payment is $350. The amount paid on high purchase is $35, is the deposit plus the payment in installments. Now 12 times 30 is 360. 360 plus 35 is 395. So take it out of 350, or take 350 out of 395 to get $45. A man's regular pay is $3 per hour. So this is $3 per hour. It's not clear, that's why I'm reading it. A man's regular pay is $3 per hour. So it's $3 per hour up to 40 hours. Overtime is twice the payment for regular time. If he was paid $216, how many hours of overtime did he work? So how many hours of overtime did he work? Now, first of all, we need to calculate the regular pay, which is 3 times $40. 3 times 40, and that will give us $120. So we take 120 out of $216. So 216 minus 120, and that will be equal to 96. So we need to divide 96 by double of the rate, that is twice the regular payment, so which is 6. So the number of hours work will be equal to 96 divided by 2 times 3, and that will be equal to, 2 will go here 48, 3 will go into 48 16 times. So it's correct, 16. Do not forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.